Oh my, what do we have here? Man, oh man. Yeah. See, I came out to this yard, look at this damn, I came out to, what was that, that 77 Ford F100 Ranger Super Cab, right? And it was already kind of gone through, but, yeah, so I said, let me go on to the other side of that other yard. It's like 2 yards in one over here. And I was walking from over there, right? And I saw that, it's like it's a Cadillac. I think that's a Cadillac right there. And then I saw that van, right? And I thought, well, I'm gonna check that. I like checking out old vans, you know? But then as I was walking, I could see this grill. I saw this front end right here, just barely. I was like, ooh, what do we have here? What do we have here? And lo and behold, a 1971 Buick Skylark. And this one is a 2-door. Ooh. But now, jeez, this thing, man, was neglected. Sadly, it was neglected, you know. And it's got issues all around. Look at that. She will be crushed soon, man. Real quick. We'll take a quick walk around it real quick. Let's see here. Obviously the front, you guys already saw the front, right? Grill's busted up. I don't know if those headlight bezels might be okay. I see two T3 headlights there. Bumpers all screwed up on that side. Yeah. Hood. Got rust there. Bent up here. I'm assuming it was like green originally, this type of green, but look at that. That's old body work there. And yeah. Maybe not. Maybe she wasn't green. I don't know. We'll see. And I saw the wheels, right? And I was like, oh, might want to get those wheels. Maybe. You know? Like that. Is that 09? I don't think so, right? What is that? It says 9. Is that 9? You guys from Texas, man, let me know. Because like I said, not originally from here. Maybe it's 99. I don't know. They towed this. I mean, they ended up, yeah, this car got towed, man. Look at that. Look at that. 6/20 of 19 from Midlothian. It's a little bit west of here. I don't. This was no. I think it was already caused. That wasn't by the yard. I don't think. Neither that. Check that out, man. Check that out. Isn't that cool? Yeah. Well, she wasn't. Yeah, she was an original. Looks like, I don't know. Pretty sure she was probably a vinyl top car, and for the most part held up. You know, but see what happens around back window here. This channel just goes a shot. How's this angle? How's she look from this angle? That make a good thumbnail? Don't look too bad from that angle, right? Yeah. I love Tyler. Okay. Buick. Tail lights are in rough shape. When to get tires? Please don't. Don't tow, please. Well, see, I think she was green originally. Same color. You have the original color on her. Some type of a green. That freaking sucks, man. Damn. I probably would have. These wheels wouldn't have been bitched up. I probably would have got them. You know. I probably would have got them. Side windows look alright. These two windows, I think those two on that side look good too. This glass. Oh, that sucks, man. Look at that. Oh, right there too. Man, crap. Dang. The trim here looks okay. She's got rust on these pillars though. This one's all bitched up too. Yeah, this fender here. Sad, 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 man. Sad situation. I look under the trunk real quick. Luckily, I brought my screwdriver with me. I was able to open it. Tail lights, more. Well, they ain't in much better shape though. I got the other three of the faux spokes deal going on here. Yeah. See, I would have took these wheels if they would have all been in good shape. That's pretty cool. But like, this car's rusted, man. She is rusty. Channel looks all right. No. I take that back. I take that back. Channel is not all right. Yeah, she's got rust issues, man. Let's see. Could I look underneath real quick? Anything? Let me see if I can get any look underneath there. Man, oh man, you see that? The other ones are missing this piece here, though. I think so you can. I know I've seen this style before, but I don't know exactly how that works. 10 bolt. Yeah. All right, get up here. Take a look inside. Oh, come on, mother. Fudger. Nope, she ain't going, man. She ain't going. There's that other door over there. Did I say the bumper? This bumper is okay, actually. I think, right? Yeah, that's a good bumper right there, man. I like that. I like the other one. Okay, this one does. Whew. Oh yeah. Bench seat car. Headliners not in great shape. That's an understatement. You can see holes in the floor all around. That's a huge hole down there. There's more holes there. Yeah, this car. Ooh, look at that. What's that? What is that? That's another screwdriver. Cheapy or good? Cheapy or good? Let's see. Napa, USA, baby. Yeah. That's going in the pocket. What's this? Interesting. Mondays are lucky for me, so is pink and silver. 6 and 8 are lucky too. Whatever that means. Pretty sure she rolled over. Yeah, I've been sitting for a long time now. I mean, you know, at least 10 years, if not 20, like I was thinking. Got some points. Yeah. Oh man, just a nest. Some type of a nest. Well, in here, I don't know what would be good. I guess the let's call it the dash is busted up. No vanity mirrors. I say keys there. Gauge cluster maybe, I don't know. Sometimes they'll be asking a couple $100 for these bench seats, man. Yeah. All right. See if I can get that VIN stuck under the hood real quick. Buick 455. 455? Is it? Could it be? Could it? No. Got a nice little nest there. Factory AC car. Of course, this is Texas. Yeah, gotta have it. I'd like to get that AC box. I would. It says here 350 2-barrel and 1971. It was sitting on some field or something. Field fresh, man. Field fresh. Yeah. And as far as, let's see. I don't know, you probably might not be able to see it. Can you guys see it down there? Yeah, probably not. Trust me, I saw it. Drum brakes. Would have liked to have been discs. Oh, that's okay. Made it. Yeah. Oh, let's see that data tag here. See if I can get it. Oh crap, man! Look at that. Oh, that's rusty. Let's see. Can y'all see that? Because it's hard for me to even see what I hope you can see that. Oh man, I broke a tag. And oh man, I don't even know if I can even see that VIN. Yeah, that VIN is so rusty, man, I can't even make it out. I'm sure you guys probably can't even see it. Yeah, it's just too far gone. That's happened sometimes. So all we got's the that data tag. Shame. I'm gonna lower this down in case it decides to rain. Surprisingly, the hood hinges are all decent anyways. Well, there it is, man. There she is. This was a treat for me, an unexpected one. Yes, it was. And I love finding me some GMA bodies. Just never know what you're gonna find on these things. Look at that. Yeah. All right, man. Not sure what else to say on this one. She's a rusty old girl, and she won't be around much longer. You know, two-door too, man. That sucks, huh? All right, man. On to the next one.